Hello, welcome back. So here we go into another vector art. This is a photo to vector art. So here I am again with the pen tool, tracing out the orange pepper, or basically any kind of photo you come up with. So I'm just going to go around here with the pen tool. That's that little pen on the side of the toolbox. So I'm using Affinity Designer 2. So as you can see, I'm just going to trace around the orange pepper. So there's 4 peppers: orange, red, green, and yellow. And you don't even need any kind of drawing skill or anything. You can even use the pen, not even the pen tool, the pencil tool, and just draw it out. So here I am going to take the end of the lines, so to speak, and just pull and drag to try to get the shape sort of exactly on there. So I will just speed up the video here and enjoy watching another version of vector art. Okay, here comes the fun part. So all you're going to do is just trace over the shadows of your photo. In this case, I'm doing a pepper. So you're just going to draw over what you see. You can squint your eye, kind of like Popeye. And if you just watch the little shadows, just trace, and then at the end of the drawing, you make sure you want to meet the end of the line. And then when you do is you use I. Just tap I and click. I is a color wand, so to speak. And just click on that, the color that you just traced. And then there it is. You have yourself a nice little kind of art piece color. See, I'm just tracing out. Now you can use your pencil tool and just draw. You don't even have to do this little clicking thing. You just draw with your thing, click in the middle, and you have yourself, and you can see on the side, see all those little funny little objects that are on the right side of your screen. And just going to keep on going, clicking all the way through. Now this entire project took 5 hours, but we're going to mash it all down to under 40 minutes, maybe. So here we're just throwing color together, and some of it you might have to arrange it to go forward, because you're going to be there'll be a lot of islands, like island color. So you're going to have to arrange it where you pull it forward. So you can either click on your little object and put it in front of all the other ones, drag it up the side of the screen there, or go up to the top in the layer section, drag that down and hit arrange and just go forward. So here I'll let you go and watch this process of drawing out an orange pepper in kind of a cool looking vector art. Just art. This is going to be the fun section where you're filling out the stem. You're going to have a lot of different colors and, well, shades of green. And it's actually kind of neat how you can see the different like when you're filling all this in, it's kind of like making a puzzle on your computer. As you can see, there's just shapes everywhere. So I'll just let this go and speed up the video so you don't have to scrub through it. Now up here, I'm working on the red pepper, as you can see, and I'm going to be grouping this all together. So you can hit on your PC Control G as in Gary, or you can just highlight all of them, go up to your top and just hit group, and then you can, this way you're not going to lose anything, you're not going to delete anything, you got the whole pepper and or any of your photos that you're working with, and you just group them together, and this way you can just move everything around and then move on to your next picture, which I'm going to be moving into the next, I'm going to move into the yellow pepper next, and going to draw that out, trace it, do the coloring, and I'll just speed it up. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments below. Here we are at the photo, or what that looks like. So the real pepper photo is the green one. The rest of the ones are all vector. So it looks pretty cool how it's almost like a picture, except when you zoom in you can see that it's not a picture. So now I'm going to start up with the green pepper, and so I'll zoom that, speed it up, and enjoy watching this process. Okay, here comes the fun part. So I dropped the photo out, made it disappear, and you can, as you can see a lot of white lines or white background from the, well, white background. And what I'm going to do here is grab each little dot and stretch it so it covers up those white spaces. This way we're going to make it more artsy looking. So each pepper, as you can see, well, I'm working on the orange one right now, and as you go around, grabbing each little, click on the object or shape, and then just find your picture, or find the dot and just drag it, and this way we'll drag the color across to cover up that white space. So it's a very tedious thing because you'll see a lot of white. So it's just a put on some good music and just jam out and drag and pull until you get your object to look like a fun piece of art. So I'll speed this up and we'll come back at the end of the video. Thanks for watching again. Okay, here we are, the final photo. So now I'm going to drag in the blue background and make a little kind of bright poppy kind of pop art with vector base. So here it is, the final picture, and you can print this on a poster. You can print your photo vector really anywhere. You can put it on clothing, and you can save it in different formats like TIFF, TIFF, JPEG, PNG, so any of these. And try this project out, have fun, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.